Hey, what's up guys? If you want to create this awesome line animation in Figma without using any third-party plugin and for free, then you have hit the correct video. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump into Figma. Well, before that, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting notifications for all our future uploads. If you don't know how to create this wiggly line, then just click on the card popping on the screen on the top right corner and watch the video where we have dedicated tutorial on creating this wiggly line inside Figma. So yes, without any further ado, let's create the animation. So I already have a line here. I'll draw a frame, and you can change the background color of the frame whichever you want. We are going to keep it simple for this tutorial, and now I'm going to add a rectangle as well in the same frame. Make sure your rectangle is as long as your line is from the height and width in both directions, okay? And just move your rectangle just below the vector which we have created, or the line which you have created. For better understanding, let's just rename them line, and this is going to be, okay, we already have rectangle but we just call it mask, okay? And we call this entire frame as line animation component /1, because this is going to be first frame of the animation. Let's just undo this and first create the mask and then duplicate that. So select the line and the rectangle which we created, and then click on this mask here, so which creates a mask for us. Now we can just move this and check if the mask is working as expected or not, and this is working as expected. Let's duplicate this so that creates the second frame. Now select the mask rectangle. Make sure you select the mask rectangle, not the line, okay? And then scale it up to the width of the line, okay? Select both frames which we have created here, and then go to create component set. Make sure you have given the names in the same way, so that name of the component / name of the property, okay? Let's click on create component set. This creates a component with, so this creates a component with two variants, okay? Now let's add the fun part, which is creating the prototypes between these two variants. Make sure you have created the component, then only you will be able to create the interactions with change to, or you need to create multiple frames, and then that would be quite complicated to use in the design. So make sure you create the component, okay? Now let's just click create the interaction. I'm in the prototype tab. I have just dragged an interaction created here from the first variant to second variant, or from the first property to second property, and it should be after delay, not on click. Make sure the delay is 1 millisecond because we want animation to be triggered immediately. And make sure you select the Smart Animate here. Curve is linear, that is fine, and duration you can keep it as long as you want the animation to be played. So let's make it 4 seconds, so that is, you know, a nice slow animation, okay? So 4000 milliseconds, which is 4 seconds. Let's just close this and again create an interaction from the second variant to the first variant of the component, okay? Same way, but this time this is going to be after delay. Delay is going to be 1 millisecond. Smart Animate and change to, let's just keep everything as it is and just change the duration to 1 millisecond, so that immediately our animation restarts from the beginning, okay? And then we can create an end-to-end loop here. So I'm just moving this older animation which I have created just for the demo, and this new frame here in the test frame. You can use any frame, that is just simple test frame. And now let's just play this, and you can see our animation is getting played here. You might be seeing some issues when playing it in a preview window, so make sure you open it in an, you know, okay, I guess I I just opened the preview which was there earlier, so that's why we had this animation. But yeah, so let's just preview this once again and just open it in the separate tab, so that you get a nice feel of the animation, and you can see our simple line animation in Figma is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you loved it, then do let me know in the comments, and also let me know in the comments if you want to learn anything specific in the Figma. And yeah, that's it. If you're not subscribed, then do it right now. Until the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.